You know that on the 0 subscriber channel, we only care about the real questions. So today I will show you what is stored inside this standard hard drive. So what we're gonna do, we'll take this tool and the hammer and, well, I'm gonna stand up for this. And this doesn't seem to work that well. That's probably every hard drive's worst nightmare right there. So, oh well, we went all the way through. Maybe try it from another angle. And it's open. So, okay, that's a little bit strange. I think the conclusion here is that even my hard drive is addicted to mathematics.